Hey guys, how's it going? Danish here, and I hope you're coming to me after watching my Xiaomi Pad 7 unboxing. And now we have with us the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and I am so excited for this because this is last year's 14 Ultra and I love this thing. So I'm so excited to check it out. And we have both here. We have the photography kit as well as the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So let's jump right in. All right, now full disclosure, I have already taken out the 15 Ultra because I wanted it to set up, and here it is. Now, please excuse the fact that I genuinely do not know how to shoot a white phone, but this phone now has this beautiful back. Let me see if I can get that design showing for you. There you have it. You see that design? It is like this smooth textured design. It's obviously much more visible in real life, but it's really nice. Now, I wish that I had the one that looks like the Leica one. I'm going to have that image here, and it looks so good. I wish I had that, but anyway, Xiaomi sent me this and I'm still more than happy. But coming back to the box itself, inside the box we have the SIM eject tool, as you guys can see over here. I don't know why this is stuck. Okay, the SIM eject tool. We have a case, which is a hard plastic case, so that's nice. If you want to see what that looks like, this is what it looks like on the phone. And there you have it. Nice plastic covering, good protection, and it protects the camera bump as well, but we'll come back to that. And we obviously have some documentation, and we have a Type-C to Type-A cable. All right, so moving on straight to this ginormous camera. Let me find the best way I can show it to you. So here we have the Leica lenses, and in this particular case, in this year's camera, we have a 50 megapixel main camera. I will have the details on the screen. We have a 50 megapixel floating telephoto camera. We also have a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 200 megapixel telephoto camera. On the front of the device, we have a 32 megapixel camera over here. Now, I will be doing a bunch of camera comparisons on my socials, and I will have a longer video with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, so don't forget to subscribe for that. As you can see, I have a small little channel and I have been working really hard to grow it. So anything you can do, like, share, subscribe, comment, will support me. But coming right back to this phone now, considering that the camera is the focus, let's put the phone aside for a sec and let's jump into this. So let's jump right in, and here we have this. Now here we have the 67mm filter adapter. I'm going to put that here for a sec. We have a black cover, which I'm guessing is for just in case you want to change the one that's already on it, which I'm guessing is red. Here we have a little thumb grip. That's cool. And here we have shutter buttons, which I will come back to in a minute. And here we have the photography kit. So now we have this stunning red color. Focus, please. And that is crazy. I mean, it's a very distinct color. I don't know if they have any other color options, because I'm getting this long before the event happens. And this is the housing where you have the grip. We have place for the shutter. We have dials. We have a record button. We have, what is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is the grip for the thumb grip. That's the screw. And this is a 2000 milliamp battery inside, which is absolutely brilliant. This is the locking mechanism for it. So yeah, let's actually put it all together. What's in this? I'm guessing just documentation. No, we have more. We also have a lanyard. I'm guessing a hand one. Yeah, a lanyard for the hand. And this just looks crazy. I cannot wait to get into this, so let's do that right now. All right, so we have the phone here. Cool. Actually, let's do it on this camera. So we have the phone right here. Nice design, white color. I'm going to pop first the case on, and this one should be a snap, I'm guessing, on the other side. Let's keep the buttons safe, and there we have that. Okay, Then we pop this on, and we have the grip over here, as you guys can see, right? And that detects it and says it's charging. If I remember, there's actually an on-off button for this, but that's fine. Here we can lock that in, right? So that's pretty nice as well. And now we have this. So this is your little cover. Like I was saying, this is a color option that we have. So we can make this black if we want to. I'm guessing that latches on in place. Let's try it this way. Ah, there we go. Nice black look. Okay, that's cool. Press the button to remove. And here we have the 67mm filter mount. So let's line this up. I'm guessing we have buttons, we have dots to line up. And we have that here, and lock in. No, not a lock in yet. Let's try this way. Aha, you hear the click. And I have my 67mm mount right here. So let's put that on. This is just a simple UV mount. And that scrolls in, and look at this. This is stunning. Oh my God, that's brilliant. Look at that. Okay, let's get this thumb mount on. So for that, we have to pull this little fellow off here, right? So we get this off. Okay, and put the thumb grip in place, right? Aligning the screws, and a few turns. Excuse me. Ooh, lovely. Oh my, oh man, that is brilliant. Can you guys see this? Focus. There we go. Oh, that's nice. That's really, really nice. That is stunning. Look at this. Oh my God, that's brilliant. That is so cool. Okay, let's put that here for a sec. I'm not going to put this lanyard on, but like it goes in here, as you guys could imagine. And last but not least, what I wanted to check out was we have these two shutter buttons. So we have black and red, and we have plain red. Let's go with classic red and put this on. Oh my God, that is phenomenal. Can you guys see this? Oh my God, that is crazy. That is crazy. All right, let's put this on. So this is the first time switching on the camera, but while using the app, sure. Ooh, we got graphics. That's quite an animation for the camera to come on. We have the Leica options, obviously Leica tuned lenses, so we've got that as well. We've got a street photography experience called Fast Shot. We've got a whole range of other stuff, and we've got the Leica options, which we always do. Swipe up to see options. Oops, let me spin that around. So we have Fast Shot. Let's click on Fast Shot. Now we have the various lengths over here. Look at this. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this. So, okay. Why isn't this working? Okay, sorry about that. I had the settings wrong. So once the grip is on, there was something I had to click, which I had missed out. All right, so it shows professional camera grip, and then the grip has the battery, okay. And then I lock it, which is what I hadn't done the last time. And yes, there we go. So now, if I just hold down, whoa, that comes on. Okay, let's show it to you this way. All right, so there you have it, and sorry about the angle. So you can use it that way. We've obviously got exposure settings on the dial right now, and then we click that and it immediately moves into video and starts recording. So that's for that little button over there. But this is such a power-packed photography experience, and as they said in the presentation, it's going to be a pinnacle photography experience. So I'm super excited to check that out. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and please do follow along on my socials on Insta, TikTok, Shorts, same handle, Dantox, and there's going to be loads of stuff for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra there, so don't forget to check that out as well. All right, and just for now, let me just get this off, and let's carry on with checking out the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Now, as far as the display is concerned, we have a 6.73-inch display, 522 ppi. We've got 3200 nits of brightness. We've got an 300 hertz touch sampling rate. It's an AMOLED. Just, it's power packed with a whole range of features. Now, as far as the body of the phone is concerned, it's about 9.35 millimeters thick, and funny enough, it is 226 grams, and the silver chrome edition is a little heavier. That's really funny. We have Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 over here. We've got an aluminum frame. It's IP68 water and dust resistant. So yeah, pretty decent on the body, nothing out of this world, but everything you'd expect from a flagship device. Now, obviously, like any other phone of 2025, we have Xiaomi Hyper AI, where there is Gemini, so you've got that for a various amount of features like AI writing and subtitles, interpreter, and so on. And then you have AI App Boost, which is, I'm guessing, things from AI that help it out. So you've got the AI Gallery editor over here, which enhance, expansion, erase, AI film, and a whole bunch of other AI features that are bound to be there on any phone of 2025. Now, inside the phone, we have a 5410 milliamp battery, as well as 90 watt hypercharge and 80 watt wireless charger. And for performance, we have the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3 nanometer processor. We've got 2 prime cores, 6 performance cores. We've got a hexagon NPU, which can do up to 80 tops, and 16 GB of RAM and 512 or 1 terabyte of storage. Now, I haven't even scratched the surface of how much there is to cover with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, but as always, let me know what you would like me to check out. I'm here to show you what you want and enable a purchase or help you figure it out, but there's so much to check out. We've got 8K video, 10-bit log recording. We've got just so much to check out, and I will do it as best as I can. Listen, I'm not a professional photographer. Everything I know through YouTube and so on and so forth, like the rest of you. So let's kind of take that journey together of checking how far professional can this camera go. But until next time, my name is Danesh. I'm going to be at MWC by the time you guys watch this video. So don't forget to support any of my channels, and I will see you at the next one. Peace out.